Hello everybody. We at Brainy Stars follows Montessori concept of education and focus on the child's overall development. Montessori proposed that the introduction of mathematics during the period of the absorbent mind 0 to 6 years enables the child to form positive association with numbers which can be carried on throughout life. Cards and counters. The arithmetic material in Brainy Stars, children by using cards and counters getting opportunity to verify their understanding of the concept of matching the quantitative or the concrete with the abstract before slowly removing the concrete altogether. To arrange the numerals in their correct order while putting the proper quantity with each. Cards and counters. The arithmetic material typically consists of a set of cards with the number on one side. Cards and counters associating quantities with number symbols, counting and sequencing. It prepares a child for future work with reminders. Prepares child for future skip. Cards and counters is an early Montessori math activity and introduces the child to odd and even numbers, as well as encouraging the child to practice counting. The direct phrase shows the child how to carry the box carefully with two hands to the floor mat.
Which material you are doing? Very good. Now, which number is this, Vida? 1. How many counters this side of indicator? Other side? So this is equal? Not equal. Not equal means 1 is odd number. Okay? Now how many counters this side of other side? This is equal or not equal? Equal means odd number or even number? Even number. Okay? So 2 is even number. Now tell how many counters this side of indicator? 1, 2. You touch other side? 1. So this is not equal. So odd number. So 3 is odd number. Okay? Now you give answer. How many counters this side? Other side? So 4 is equal number. 4 is odd number or even number? Even number. Very good. Now you do this. Odd number. Why odd number? Because this is not equal, right? So 5 is odd number. Now tell Vida, how many counters this side of indicator? 1. Count. Other side? So this is equal, right? So 6 is odd number or even number? Even number. Very good. How many counters this side of indicator? Other side? 3. So this is equal or not equal? Not equal means odd number or even number? Odd number. 7 is odd number. Very good. Now count how many counters this side? Other side? 4. So this is equal or not equal? Equal. Equal means odd number or even number? Even number. So number 8 is even number, right? Count. Odd number. Why odd number? This is not equal. Because equal or not equal? Equal. Very good. So 10 is odd number or even number? Even number. Very good, Rida. Thank you.
This is a great math activity that our children all reach for on a regular basis. They find it fun and engaging even after they have mastered it. Thank you.